Earlier this month, the Postmaster General announced his plans to cut 10,000 workers and billions from the U.S. Postal Service's budget. I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter. In response to DOGE and these planned cuts, our local postal workers union came out Thursday to rally asking for support for their service.
U.S. Mail!
All across the country, including right here in Bakersfield, Postal Service workers and supporters are calling out the current administration and DOGE for promised cuts.
I'd like to invite President Donald J. Trump, Vice President J.D. Vance, and Elon Musk and Postmaster DeJoy to sites here in Bakersfield so they could visit Postal sites, so we could show them that we are hardworking Americans and we're here to handle business and serve America like they do.
Union President Brandon Bittner joined the Postal Service in 2014 after getting out of the Army. He said the cuts to the Postal Service would not only harm mail carriers, but the residents they serve, especially in rural areas.
Postmaster Louis DeJoy put out in a letter yesterday that he wants to get rid of the leased offices, our post offices, and that's the small AOs in rural America. Those go away. Those people in rural America, they're going to have to possibly drive here to Bakersfield to get their mail. How are they going to get their medications and important documents they need?
Alongside the Postal Service union stood the letter carriers, like John Ortega, who recently retired after 20 years working here in Bakersfield.
And we don't want our customers to lose their service. Birthday presents, especially the elderly, medicines.
While letter carriers are calling out the current administration for budget cuts, healthcare workers and advocates are calling on local leaders like Congressman David Valadao to take action in protecting Medicaid funding.
As an operating room nurse, I see what happens when people don't have care. If they don't have access to health care because their Medicaid benefits are cut, they're going to delay care, end up in the emergency room.
And the letter carriers union said they also will be holding a rally this weekend in response to these planned cuts by DOGE. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.